to be. And niggas trying to take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for...
All right, Oscar. Is this the day
Should be.
that it starts?
TPS is having some issues though.
Uh-oh.
See that? It like loses voltage.
All right, I think we got first startup. She's alive. What do you think, Oscar? Sounds good?
That sounds good. Ready to tune?
Just ready to tune. Just needs a tune officially now. We just had to diagnose some wiring mishaps. But yeah, she's getting to operating temperature and burping the coolant, and I got to get it off the lift, and we're gonna go drive it. Finally got it off the lift and realized to go test drive it, it was too low. It was the first time getting it off the lift. So had to raise each corner up about an inch and adjust a couple minor things. And now we're almost ready to go test drive. Tuning car number 2 for the day. All those bees. Oscar put the same fans on this SR car for Austin, and that's where I got the idea for the Chaser. You can hear those things screaming. I wonder if these people will sell me this house. Looks like it needs to be torn down. I'm so relieved to have the 2JZ Chaser done finally. It's back on the lift. The reason why is because we didn't have time to wire in the water temp sensor or the reverse lights. But Oscar ran the wires and loomed it up by the firewall so we could get to tuning it. And I just got done hooking those up. So now the gauge will work for the water temp. And I also took the wheels off because Jessica and Reese are at soccer practice, and when they get home, we need to bleed the brakes again. They were pretty spongy while we were test driving it, but when they get home, we'll bleed the brakes one more time, and then I'll finally put the hood on this car and just enjoy it. Reese, can you see? Hi.
I gave Carson a ride, and I was like, "Can you see anything?" And he was like, "I can see the sky." It's like you're loaded up and ready to go to Villains.
Villains Sportsland this weekend. It's gonna be hot as hell, and Jessica and the kids decided to stay home. So me and Shane loaded up my car, hooked it up, and drove out to Villains. Shane's just gonna drive the Nate's S13 all weekend, so he didn't have to drive here. Just got here to Tiki Hawaiian food. Well, we made it to the track, and Shane's already working on the coupe. Showed up and saw that the left rear tire was flat. Then he went to go air it up, and pretty sure it immediately went flat again. But he brought some spares. What?
Matching spares. Yeah, you can hear it pissing right out of
Out of the bead? The valve stem?
Out of the hardware.
Oh. Well, I learned my lesson. Running a Walbro 255 with no screen on it is a dumb idea, because mine shit itself. So luckily Nate has two at the shop, so I'm on my way there to grab one.
What?
Did you have some cake?
Yeah.
Oh, yummy. Tell him to hit the gas pedal.
Not doing it?
No.
Did it for a bit. Did it for a bit, right?
Well, it's the next morning, about 10 o'clock. Lewis was really nice and let Shane and I stay in his camper across the street from the track. But for some reason, me and Shane and Nate decided to stay up till 3 o'clock in the morning, just talking about shit. So I drank a little bit, but I think I'm more hungover just from staying up late. Anyways, I'm at Nestor's trailer. If you don't know Nestor Madness Fab on Instagram and Facebook, does a lot of fab work, lives in Tri-Cities. Here's his setup. He's always at the Villains events with the tire machine. So yeah, super cool guy, good friend of mine. I saw him yesterday walk into the showers. We have outdoor showers here at Villains Sportsland, and they're a little bit chilly sometimes, but they're very refreshing, and it's definitely what you need to wake your ass up on a morning like this. So I don't see Nestor and his girlfriend, but I saw him walk into the shower yesterday, so I'm gonna see if he has any body soap laying around, because I need a shower. Well, the track's been hot for all of 10 minutes now. and this dude just chooched his 350Z. It was pretty loud. I can't believe he moved those blocks that far. Damn, dude. Dude, I can't believe he moved all those blocks. That's crazy. Was it you? Were you driving? You okay?
Yeah, my power steering belt flew off and I was at full lock and it didn't go anywhere. So then it put me into the wall.
Oh, damn.
The best car out here, really?
It's not too bad. I did pretty much a reverse entry in front of Shane, so he had to check up pretty hard, and then Malo got into him. Not too bad. Justin's got his work pants on. Well, Shane's got a boo-boo door, changing his tires. I noticed my back wheel was like an inch forward in the wheel well and kind of compensated with the camber and tow arms and figured I'd fix it after this weekend. But then it moved so far forward it grabbed it. My traction arm's bent. So Josh Otron in the purple S13 is going home. He's got one on the shelf. He's on his way back with it. KBD. Well, Shane and I woke up early this morning and went straight to the track and loaded everything up. Took a quick shower at the track and headed home. So just got home, gonna unload everything now. Car's in great shape still, no damages or anything. Just like usual, gotta fix that fueling issue. Decide if I wanna clean this tank again or try to find another tank. Also, the last piece of the puzzle for the Chaser showed up. You can see it now has a shift knob. I went with the Delrin. I really like the texture of the Delrin on your hand, and it's white to match the car. So, and it came with a little TRD logo on top. So yeah, now I can actually street drive this thing without holding a threaded knob handle. Well, I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't give you a park update in this video. I thought I was gonna hear something last week, and by Friday, I didn't hear anything. So hopefully this coming week, I will be getting an update from the county and then can give you guys an update. But like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you later. Peace.